change some stuff out inside of there. It says to check for scratches. It looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than the parts that's on the outside. It looks shinier, or it's like under the inner or under the outer tube. So I'm just gonna do the PV blaster and aluminum foil trick to see if that helps clean anything up. Pretty dirty in there, not sure if you can tell, but I'm gonna have to figure out a way to clean that out so it doesn't keep scratching itself. And I'm gonna take this seal out. This is the seal I'm replacing, and then I'm gonna replace the dust cover right here. So I'm gonna replace. There's a seal right here. I'm gonna I'm gonna replace it. There's like a clip holding it in right around here. I'll have to figure out how to get that off. And then under that clip is this metal, and then it should just pull out. So I'll get back to you when I figure it out. To get the clip out, I had to use this tiny flathead screwdriver to get under it, right in the end of it, and it comes out pretty easy. I got in like a couple seconds. Cleaning this thing out like a gun, kind of. It's like I don't know what a proper way is to do it, but that's getting a lot of stuff out. Alright, so I did some research on how to get these things out. Got this one out. What I had to do, get a slide hammer, get a washer that fits in there perfectly, ground the sides off so it fits in there, and you slide it up, just smack it. I'll do the other side now. The second one slid in, so I didn't even need to use the hammer, so yeah. down. Gotta put these on. Dust covers. This one says it should fit a F7, so. Oh yeah, gotta clean that off. This other one I cleaned off. Fit nice. Let's just see if this. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, that was a lot cheaper than the new old stock. This was like for like Suzuki or something. A lot less expensive than the new old stock. Kawasaki fits just good. Just fine. So if you guys are wondering what the part number is, I can put it somewhere. I didn't have this very tight at all. You never really want to, if you're trying not to mess up the metal, you probably don't want to do it too tight. Just tight enough to not move. Or set it up like I had it so it would be sitting on these. Like this part would be sitting on the vise, so whenever you hit it, I have like that, and when I was pulling it out, I had the vise right here, and I was pulling it out, and I had the towel covering it up, so it wouldn't get scratched up, and didn't get scratched up, so that's cool. Looks pretty clean to me. Alright. It's on there good. Alright, so the springs it says 13.6 is what they should be, and the lowest it should be is like 13.25. And I'll take this thing off. So it's like right in between there. It's like 13 3/8. This one. $13 and like 7/16. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I think that should make it. I don't think I need to stretch those out or replace them or anything. I do want to clean them though. Alright, so these are like dry, has like some dry black stuff on it. And it's like gross. It like just comes off. No idea what that is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray it down with some black PB Blaster, and let it sit in a bag for a while. Kind of maybe hopefully soften up that stuff on it. I'll just set these in there too.